Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today is Tuesday and day off ko ngayon. So that's why I can make a video. And yeah, so Tuesday ngayon, so yung ginawa ko, ano lang siya guys, nag-relax lang talaga ako the whole day. I sleep so long. I woke up around 12 noon, tapos nag-YouTube, nagnood ng Netflix, yun yung ginawa ko. Tapos si Martin nasa kitchen siya, and nagluluto siya ngayon ng, actually tapos na siya magluto ng fricadela. Now he's making the sauce.
Food is ready.
Oh, food was ready na pala. So pakita ko sa inyo yung fricadela nila guys, and it's just like the bola-bola sa Pilipinas. Masarap siya, and I really like this. It's easy to make. He make it very fast always, so I think it's really easy to make, and the meat that's used, it's the same meat na he's using for the siomai. So yun lang, the only difference is you're not putting a cover, you're not putting a wrap to it. It's just the pure meat with some spices to it, and then you fry it. I will show you the finished product. I'm just waiting for Martin to be done. He said he's done. Oh, it's ready pala. So yun, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung ginawa niya. Ito yung kanyang finished product. So, masarap siya guys. Ano lang, bola-bola. Kakamayin ko na hindi niya makita. See? Sarap niya. Tapos,
Sarap. Food is ready.
ito yung partner ng bola-bola nila dito. Boiled potato lang. So easy. Wala akong rice today. And also is homemade.
Cucumber salad.
Cucumber salad. Ang nilagay niya dito is vinegar, right? Vinegar and sugar. And that one.
No, secret recipe.
Whatever, vinegar, sugar, cucumber, and then let it stay in the ref for, I don't know, 30 minutes, something like that. But then the longer it stays in the ref, then the better it tastes.
No, it's not true. One day, because then the cucumber is still crispy.
Saying?
Oh, eat it.
What are you saying?
Sarap oy.
What is sarap?
Lami oy.
What is nga? The bula-bula? Everything?
Of course, I made it.
Ah, good for you.
Please go get some drinks in.
Shut up, boy! Let's eat na guys, oy. Ano na dito? What time is it now? It's 8 in the evening.
It's almost 9.
Yeah, it's almost 9, but look at outside. It's still sunny sunshine. Kinabuton ko na guys. So, kami lang naman dalawa nito. Yan, 4 lang. I really like this bula-bula actually. I think he found the perfect way to cook it. I mean, everybody can cook it, but I've also tasted a lot of this already. But this one that he's making, I think it's already the second time. It's like crispy in the outside, but in the inside it's so tender. It's so tender. It's so soft. Like that. It's juicy in the inside. And then this is the sauce. Brown sauce. Quinoa lang yung is it just quinoa dong?
No. Made from the bottom.
So you made it from scratch, okay.
Yes.
And then this one. Oh, nako. Ito gawa din niya, homemade. Mahilig siya gumawa ng food. Yan. Actually, this one, parang recipe ata ito ng mama niya. Right? It's your mom's recipe.
Nope.
I remember before that you asked your mom how to do it. That's what I remember.
Yeah, and she could not answer me, so it's the internet's recipe that I modified into my own.
Tastes so good. The cola tastes so good. Yeah, it tastes actually so good, the cola. Oh, we don't have a fucking tissue paper? Where is it? Yeah?
Thank you so much, darling.
You're so welcome. Yawn. So this is a typical Danish food, guys. Yung rice nila is, like sa atin, rice, pero sa kanila yung potato. Pero kumakain din sila rice, pero yung ano talaga, partner ng mga dish dito, potato. Masarap din siya. Parang bula-bula lang talaga sa Pilipinas. Yumsy. Are you happy with what you made though?
Of course. I perfected the recipe.
Mm-hmm. Hindi ko na-remove na yung ano, yung parang, what is it called, that one? Sunlight light? You're so away. Yeah, that one, guys, that's a light. Kasi
Light therapy.
yeah, light therapy pala. I don't know if ano ba siya, I don't know if it's effective or not, or maybe it's just a mental thing
It is.
that, because in Denmark during winter, sobrang ano dito, dark. It becomes so dark too early. I think around, what time ba when it's winter? I forgot. 3 already dark?
4-ish.
Yeah, 4 p.m. already dark, guys. And then, kasi the sunlight is too quick. So apparently people here get depressed, get sad, and then that's why they got this light therapy. Kasi nga you're lacking sunshine. So ito yung parang, ano, what is it called? You're lacking sunshine, so you use this as like your sunshine. And then it helps out na you don't get depressed that much, you don't get so sad because you got enough light, right? So, yeah. So in Denmark, sa household, it's like normal to have that kind of
No,
light.
it's not.
Is it not? Like all the people I know got it. Like my friends, like the international girls.
That's right, because they used to. The normal Danish is not normal.
Oh, really? Okay, but they said, but you know, I use it sometimes. But I don't really, I feel I got more energy when I use it because it's like you're so alive and active. But I don't really do all this. Oh, that's so depressed and all I have to use that now.
Good explanation.
So good. That light there, it's not like it's displayed because we're sad or something. I'm using also that light as a light when I'm making video. And the other day I used that, I forgot to put it down. So now,
Oops.
oopsie.
Forgot / too lazy.
Try to, ganyan it daw, dong. Try to turn it in just so, turn it on so they could see how lighted it is. See? Whoa. So, sabi, it hurt my eyes. So, before when I was working where I'm so new, like, wake up so early and everything is just so dark and, you know, you're still too sleepy, your body is just waking up, it's just too tired. So, I put that on and then it helps a little bit. I'm liking that. I really want to eat it with chili.
Oh, fuck you.
Yeah, but it tastes actually really nice with chili on. I'm telling you. Have you tried it?
Maybe you should also come with some rice. Hi?
No, I'm tired with rice. You do not make one.
Rice.
Ito na, I got the chili. There you go. He also made it from the scratch. There's a video, guys. Sa ano, i-scroll nyo lang, may video nito on how to make this chili. It actually really tastes
Maybe you can just put
so
it in
good.
Maybe you can just put it in the box below.
Yeah, right. I can also do that. But this one really tastes good, especially sa mga dumplings, sa mga siomai. But then I tried it the other day, nilagay ko dito sa bola-bola, fricadella. And it also tastes really good. Pero spicy nga talaga siya. Crispy. This one. Sabi niyo, oh, pinakamay lang niya yung pagkain, ganyan-ganyan. Okay na yun, guys. Eh, kami dalawa lang naman. Try don't. You will be like, you'll get shocked. Here, try.
It's gonna be a confirmed no for me.
Why?
Let me have grace. Is it just the chili or did you put soya to it?
I put very little soya. Like, almost nothing. Try ba?
Yeah, we'll try. Leave it.
Leave it. I will also get mine. It's the best ever. Chili sauce and then the brown sauce.
No brown sauce, just the chili sauce in this one.
Sarap. It's good though. Ah, it's so spicy.
Tastes good.
And, by the way guys, itong sa likod ko pala, it's like an extra bed kasi ano lang, yung apartment natin, we only got 1 bedroom. Tapos, sa previous bahay namin, yung na-sold na, may 3 bedroom kami doon. So, that means may mga extra beds kami. And we cannot throw them away naman kasi sometimes yung mga anak ni Martin bumibisita dito. So, yon yung ginawa namin, may bedroom doon na maliit, which is me and Martin sleeps. And this one here, it's a bed, pero ginawa ko siyang parang sofa. Nilagyan ko yung mga pillows na ganyan. Yan. So, kung ano, nandito yung mga anak niya, mga anak noon, most of the time, yung dalawa yung anak niya, most of the time pumupunta dito, isa-isa lang. So, dito natutulog, and then parang ano lang din naman siya, parang may privacy din naman siya pag natutulog. It's because we got a door here. See? Taran! So, yon maliit lang siya, pero, I mean, para sa iba na siguro na Danish, yung isip na maliit siya, pero for me ha, I think it's really enough because kami lang naman dalawa dito, tapos yung mga anak niya nagbibisita lang din naman. So, yan. So, dito kami kumakain sa table na itech. Hindi ko pa nalis kasi break time muna sa eating. Tapos, dito sa likod is yung extra bed. Tapos, yun. Yun yung aming Tapos, itong light dito, window. Tapos, dyan, kitchen, dun sa area na yan. Kitchen, bedroom, toilet. Dito yung extra bed. Tapos, diyan naman is yung sofa namin. And tapos dito is parang office table. Yun lang. That's all we need lang naman sa aming buhay-buhay dito. So, yun. Ano pa ba eh? Ang tagal ko nang hindi guys. Sarap ng kain ko. Tagal ko nang hindi gumagawa talaga ng video. That naman matagal pero 2 weeks. Kasi parang nabigla yung katawan ko sa trabaho na ulit. Kasi siya di ba nagbakasyon Pinas, and then pagdating dito nag-quarantine ng 14 days, and then after that sirado pa rin yung hindi naman bawal lumabas, pero limited yung paglabas-labas, and we didn't have work for almost a month kasi close yung lockdown yung Denmark, and then now it's opening, pero biglang alam niyo parang nasanay na yung katawan ko na parang relax lang, nasa bahay lang, kain, tulog, Netflix, YouTube, linis-linis, ganyan, and then suddenly work full power. Parang sobrang pagod ako. Na parang sobra-sobra. So, parang walang energy to make videos and all because when I get home, normally, kasi whole day kang, sa shop ako nag-work, and that means whole day kang nakatayo except sa break time, of course. And then, sobrang busy ng shop, so, nag-attend ka ng customer, nagkaka-share ka, may customer, may question yon, tapos naglilinis ka din kasi madaming mga damit na nasa floor at madaming mga damit na hindi nakahang ng maayos. So, sobrang busy. Pagdating dito sa bahay, wala na talagang energy na parang kain lang tapos tulog na. And, yeah, see, then I've been working since Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, work for 4 days straight, day off ngayon, 1 day, and tomorrow, work na naman, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Work 3 days. Pero yung Friday, hardcore yun kasi yung parang may event sa mall na pinagtatrabahuan ko. So, yung closing time, instead of 7 in the evening, is magiging 10 in the evening. So, I have to go to work and be free sa 10 in the evening na. Pero, good thing, nasortihan pa rin ako kasi the next day, I'm off from work. Pero yung iba mga kasamahan ko, they have to go to work the next day. So, I'm happy na day off ko sa Saturday. Tapos sa Sunday and Monday, holiday dito. So, 3 days ako makakapagpahinga. And the 3 days, I'm thinking, nagagawa ako ng madaming video. Tapos, i-schedule ko na lang siya sa YouTube. Para ma-view nyo. So, yun. And, by the way, gusto ko rin palang magpasalamat sa inyo guys because I've been doing this YouTube for so long and the progress is really so slow. As in, yung progress is sobrang so slow. And then, just this month, 8,000 subscribers na kayo. So, I'm very happy. It took so long, pero we're getting there. So, I'm happy. And advice ko lang guys, if you are gonna start YouTube, right? I think really it's better if you're gonna have like specific, kasi sa akin, iba-ibang whatever video na naiisip ko, so I post it. Pero I think it would really be nice if yung YouTube channel ng Magsisimula talaga is like, okay, if you wanna focus in cooking, then focus in cooking. If you wanna focus sa makeup and beauty and all, beauty and fashion, do that. Lifestyle, do that. Parang mas maganda yung ganun, yung magiging channel nyo. Kasi I think it will go, it will grow faster. Kasi madali siyang ma-search. Kasi pag sa akin, iba-iba. May nagluluto ako, kahit ano lang. So, if I could change it, like, if I could start again, this is lang advice sa mga new YouTuber, make a channel that is specifically for that certain topic. I think mas magiging successful kayo in that sense. Yon. And then, upload. Yung asawa ko tingin sa akin ba parang,
I'm listening to your advice.
and then,
My God.
and then upload regularly. Hindi naman yung parang everyday ka talaga mag-upload. I don't think that's nice and I don't think that's healthy too because it can be very stressful. So I think twice, thrice videos a week would also be nice. Like I think that's enough. And if you can also do just once a week video, that's also fine. But I think the best is 2 to 3 videos a week. Yun. So yun yung aking mga na-learn sa aking buhay sa pagiging YouTube. And if you're really into this for, I don't know, for money, like if you got no patience to actually video yourself and edit it. It's not as if I edit too much, no, not really. But if you're really just into this for money, I'm telling you, it's gonna take so long time. So dapat may patient ka talaga. May patience? Oh, may pasensya ka talaga to do it and somehow you enjoy doing it para hindi ka mag-stop. Kasi madami na akong kilala na parang at first they started and it took so long, then they just stopped. Because hindi nila na-enjoy, because ang nasa mind nila is, I'm gonna earn money from this. Of course, money is good, and if it gonna start earning the money, that's like the main goal, but you, at the same time, also have to enjoy doing it. Because the progress is slow. Unless, may video ka na nag-viral, and suddenly, the next day, yung yung YouTube nasa ganyan na. Pero so yung mga normal na tao na katulad ko, the progress will be so slow. So, I think your reasons of making it is obviously mag-goal ka din na maka-earn ng money dito, but obviously you have to enjoy doing it at the same time. So, yun. My God, ang dami ko ng mga realization, but matanda na talaga ako eh. Ang buhok ko guys, no, balik, buhaghag na naman, pero maganda talaga siya actually if ang tawag nung parang pinaplansya ko, tapos nagsha-shine talaga siya. Pero, pag day off ko kasi, parang ang tamad ko. Maliligo lang ako, minsan nga hindi ko na nababrush yung buhok ko kasi parang okay, I'm just here at home anyway. So yun. Parang, kaya nga hindi talaga ako dapat sa mga beauty channel na yan. Kasi hindi taga carry. Sarap ito guys. Yung asim niya, ganyan. Dada ako ng dada dito and then the food is still here on the table. But I'm not done eating. Pag ganito talaga ako pag kumakain. Parang, they said of course it's bad because you're letting the food wait, but this is how I've always been. Na parang kakain ako and then everybody just, you know?
Everybody gets annoyed.
Everybody gets annoyed because I'm taking too slow. And then they're gonna leave the table. And then I'm gonna be left alone on the table. And then I'm just gonna eat. And then suddenly I'm doing something else. And then I'm gonna eat again. There's at some point it could be 3 hours and the food is still on the table. It's so weird. But then, I know it's wrong. Because, di ba, pinaghihintay mo yung pagkain. And sabi nga ng mama ko, na makagaba ang pagkaon if you let it just wait there. Pero hindi pa rin ako nag-change. Ay! So, yun guys. Kakain naman ako. Wait lang. Half. Half only, half.
No.
Half only, oy. Kinuha ko na yung half. Heh. Yan. Oh my God. So, yun. Masarap talaga siya, guys. Oy, iwan ko ba? Ako lang talaga yung parang, sinasabi ko nga, I need to start dieting, pero hirap. Hirap ng diet. Kasi masarap naman talagang kumain. Nasawa ko yung ingay. So, anyway, masarap talagang kumain, guys. Ito yung, naisip ko naman, minsan lang tayong mabuhay sa mundo. Why not enjoy it? Diba? Pero dapat hindi din sobra. Kasi lahat ng sobra, masama. Konting brown sauce. Sarap siya. Hay nako ang buhay. Ano pala yan? Ang anghang. Diyos ko. Hang eh.